Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to Encyclopedia Book again. So, in this session, we will be, discussing about the reluctant quantifier. So, let's get started. So, reluctant quantifier we have already discussed in our, previous session. So, reluctant quantifier means minimum match. It will try to find the minimum match of the pattern. Minimum match of the pattern. It will try to match. And then whatever greedy quantifier we have, let's say asterisk, plus, or so on, it will be appended by question mark, and that comprises the reluctant quantifier. Another point is reluctant quantifier just takes the opposite approach of greedy quantifier. It will start matching from the beginning of the string one by one. One by one, it will start matching. If the match has found against the regex, it will give a match. If it hasn't find if it hasn't find the you know hasn't found the match against the regex, it will keep appending one character at a time, minimum one by one, and at the end it will try to match the entire string. That's how the reluctant works. So let's see this example. Let's see practically how it will work. So we have something called a star and then question mark. A star means zero time or more number of time. So zero time means first it will try to match the minimum it will try to match. So it will try to match absence. Okay. When you have dollar, your A is not there. But immediately after that, do we have B plus? B plus means again one time or more number of time. One time or more number of time. So B is there one time. B is there one time. And more number of time it is not there. So but after that immediately one occurrence of B is not there. So this dollar match will fail. So it will keep doing this one by one. It will reach to the character and it will reach to a B character here. So B again, we have A star, right? A star means zero occurrence or more number of time occurrence. So minimum occurrence, zero occurrence it has found here. When it encounters B here, it has found zero occurrence of A. So you see partial regex has matched. Reluctant regex has matched. A star question mark means minimum match you will find, that is zero in the case when we have encountered B here. Now B means one time, minimum one time. So minimum means reluctant will try to match minimum. So B will be the match. So this whole regex pattern will extract B out of it. So we will have one output B. It will be extracted. Similarly, it will move ahead. It will find another B here. Again, in another B, we have zero time or more number of times. So yes, no, it will not extract B. It will extract BB. No, it will not extract BB. It will extract B because minimum approach it will take. Yes, minimum approach it will take. It will fetch B here, and then after it will move further. It will move till B here, and in case of B, again it will try to find the absence of A. That is absence of A. A is not present, but B is present one time minimum. Again, it will give you B as a match. Why it is give you B? Why it will give you B as a match? Because it's a reluctant quantifier. It is the opposite of greedy. Greedy would have given you BB as a match. But reluctant will not give you BB. Reluctant will give you minimum match. That is B is another output it will extract out of it. Right? And then it will keep moving ahead. P, R, E, F, I, X, X, Y, Z. Everything will be skipped because we are trying to find A occurrence of A either present or not, but immediately followed by one time A at least. So then we have got A here, but then minimum one time B, sorry, we have got B here. Again, it's the same thing like previously we have discussed BB. So it will again print B. Then it will again print B. So four time B will be printed here, PB. And then it will come here A star is there. So A star means it will try to find the, zero time occurrence of A, but A is present one time. A is present one time. Next time, next character immediately B is there. Immediately B is there one time. No, B is not there, but A is there. Now A is there, it will consider this occurrence also, because after this A, it will try to find minimum one time B. So it will go to another character. No, it is not a B, but it is a A. Again, it has reached till here. After A, it will try to find B if B is there. So if again after A is there, so it will again ignore this. It will keep matching A four time. And now after this, it will try to match immediately B. Occurrence of B is there at least one time, because since it's greedy, since it's reluctant, it will try to find the minimum match. So now this is the another match. It will give you this thing, right? So fifth one, it will match A B. This will be the match. I hope, I mean, see, when you have a same repetition, it is trying to find the B immediately after it. Since it did not find B, it would have, ignored this combination. But again, after that A, immediately A is there. You see, still the condition of A star is being fulfilled, because the compiler is on the quest of finding the B immediately after this. Even if A star you have accomplished one time, still the whole regular expression hasn't been, evaluated. So it is on the quest of finding B after minimum. I mean, if I have to talk other way around, it will try to find minimum occurrence of A immediately followed by B. This is the right statement. Minimum occurrence of A immediately after minimum occurrence of B. So this is what is happening. Immediately it is trying to find B. Here it is find B, minimum occurrence of B, but then A, this combination will be extracted. So fifth one is this one. Now it will reach to B. B has the same case already. Absence of A is there, but immediately B is there, so it will print B. Sixth character will be printed B. Then it will further move. It has not found A. It has not found. Here it has found B. It's the same case. Absence of A is there, which is minimum. Then B is presented. So it will again it will print 7 times B. It will also be extracted. Similarly, it will extract B. Absence of B is there. B will be extracted. It will be printed 8 times. Again, B will be printed 9 times. This B will be printed. Again, it will come. It has got the repetition of A, but immediately after that, B is not there. So it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 string it will extract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just a minute. It will give you 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. It will give you 7, 8. It will give you 9, 10, 11. 11 combination it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should give you 11. That is what uh, the count should come. Let's run it and see. So see, it has given us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 no repetition repeated pattern it has extracted out of this string. Right? So this is how reluctant quantification will be, applied to a regex, and this is how the patterns will be extracted. So yeah, let's quickly, jump to the other patterns that we have. So I will uncomment this. I'll uncomment this one here. We'll comment out the other one, this one. So here again, if you see the pattern here, it will say dot any character, as we have discussed previously. Dot means any character, and then plus means all the maximum pattern. Uh, it will capture everything, but immediately followed by prefix prefix, immediately followed by prefix. Since it's a reluctant pattern, it will try to match from the beginning. It will find one dot, one character, and then because we have one plus means one or more character, it has found one any character. Do we have immediately prefix after it? No, it will fail. It will increase two character and then immediately prefix is there. No, it will keep increasing one by one. It will keep increasing the character till b, and after till b immediately we have prefix, then this whole string will be extracted. This is the one match it will give you. Then after immediately it will see any character. Again any character, it will keep matching the any character till here. Immediately after this prefix is there, then this is the another string will be extracted. Then after immediately g a b is there, and immediately after this prefix is there, this is the another string will be extracted. And then from 1 2 until last prefix, the fourth string will be extracted. So it will extract four string it will extract with the prefix. Why it is doing it, we have been discussing it again from the previous. Again and again we have discussed many times. It's a reluctant quantification. It will start finding the pattern from the beginning. Minimum it will try to match first, and then gradually it will increase one by one character till it find the whole regex match. And then if we apply this, it will give us four string match. So let me run it. So you see it has given us four pattern. Whatever we have discussed, four pattern ending with prefix, it has given us, right? So this is what the reluctant quantification is. This is what the reluctant quantifier is. This is how it works. So I hope these two examples would have helped you to understand it a bit. So thanks for watching the video. I wish you a good day. Let's catch you in the next session where we will discuss the positive quantification.